We'll guide you through how to fix the NVIDIA control panel display settings missing or not showing. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying because you're then unable to go and access these different settings like the resolution, changing the color settings, and these other useful settings as well. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try. Make sure it's this full video as we're going through different things you can try doing, and some are going to apply to you and some will not depending upon the system you have. But still go and listen to them all. To get started, go and close out of the control panel like so. Next, you need to go and head down to the bottom and press search, and what you want to do is go and type in NVIDIA and open up the NVIDIA app like so. If there's an update to do, you may have to do it, but it shouldn't take long and it should then go and open up. Here we are. Now what you want to do is go and head over to the left and you want to go and find the option for drivers like so. And what you can try doing is if there's an update available, you can check for that by pressing check for updates in the top right. You can then go and download it. After it's finished downloading, the button will change to install and you can click there and it will install. If there's nothing available, what you can try doing is pressing, if you have the studio driver selected in the top right or Game Ready driver, and switching to the other. So in this case, I could switch to Game Ready driver, let's say, then I can download and install that and that'll just go and refresh things. And after you've done that, you want to go to the bottom of your computer, press the Windows button, and then you can press the power button in the bottom right and restart it. Then when your computer comes back on, try opening up the NVIDIA control panel like so. And now hopefully the display settings section is going to be showing and not missing. If that still doesn't solve it for you and you're using a desktop computer, what you need to do is go to the back of your computer where all your cables are plugged in. So usually what's going to be happening is that the display section here is not showing or missing because it's not using the NVIDIA card. So what a lot of people often do by mistake is they go and plug the monitor into the motherboard on their computer, not the NVIDIA GPU, which is why it's not showing. So what you need to do is definitely make sure you're using the GPU. That's usually going to be lower down on the back of your computer. Then what you can do is go and plug your cable into that. Then what you can do is come and open up the control panel. It's worth restarting your computer, and you should then go and have the display section here. Now, if you find you're using an Asus laptop, you actually need to go and change the mode. So what you need to do is you could go and open up the ARM Recreate app, and you can go and select the ultimate mode. When you go and start using that, then you can go and restart your computer and you can come back to the NVIDIA control panel. It should then go and have the display section because with a laptop, what can happen is it goes and uses the other GPU, like the built-in one, to save power. But if using the ultimate mode, it'll then go and use NVIDIA and you'll be able to access these settings here. So hopefully with the help of this video, you've now managed to go and get these showing again and they're no longer missing. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future with more useful guides.